Fellow recruiters, let's chat about 3 common cold calling mistakes and how to fix it. Number 1, closed question. Ever started a call with, "Do I disturb you?" Think about it. It's a high risk, low payoff question. We are practically handing them an easy no, and that's not setting the stage for a good conversation. If you really want to be polite and acknowledge the fact that you may interrupt their day, thank them for their time, but do not ask a closed question. Number 2, guessing game. Asking, "Do I speak to Mr. XYZ?" feels distant. It's like saying, "Hey, I'm reading off a list. I'm not sure who you are. Let's have a conversation." Let's switch it up and confidently dive in with, "Hello, Mr. XYZ." And if you got the wrong person, no sweat. It's a chance to chat. If it ever happens, you can simply go with, "Oh, I used to connect with Mr. XYZ. Did their role change?" Number 3, the name first trap. Saying, "Hey, Ivan here from HPR," right off the bat can throw up walls. They are gearing up with their list of thanks but no thanks. Get to your point first, share why you are calling, and then introduce yourself. Remember, folks, connection is the goal. Let's make our conversation more genuine, engaging, and less scripted. But are you even calling nowadays? Never mind. That's a topic for another day.